ALFA-LOK is made by Velcro companies. It's available with 3 adhesive options. ALFA-LOK is a self-engaging fastener that's non-directional, so there is no corresponding side to ALFA-LOK, whereas with your hook and loop tapes you have the hook side and the loop side to create the closure. ALFA-LOK is self-engaging, so there is just one side to it. It's non-directional, so it can be closed at almost any direction, which is particularly handy if you're installing panels. You can align the panel correctly and not worry too much about where the position of the tape is behind. It will sort of snap into place at almost any point. With that in mind, with panels, it's a very strong closure. There's no sort of drop or sag. Once the panel's in place, it will remain where you've put it. If you were using a hook and loop fastener, you may find that there's some sort of drop on the panel. You won't get that with ALFA-LOK. So with ALFA-LOK, you've got the best of both worlds. You have a reusable fastener, but it's a rigid connection. It's a very solid, stable connection. Whereas with a hook and loop, a woven hook and loop fastener, you have a longer cycle life with the woven tapes than with ALFA-LOK. But ALFA-LOK gives you sort of a more permanent fix, but with the ability to remove and reapply. So best of both worlds with ALFA-LOK. So ALFA-LOK fasteners have been developed by Velcro companies and use AFTC brand SilverTape. This is a high-performance double-sided acrylic foam adhesive that's been applied to the back of the ALFA-LOK fastener. The adhesives have been developed for use in a wide range of applications, from solar panels, signage, exhibition stands to fixing interior components in trains, cars, boats or buses, etc. The design allows for a rigid connection with no slip, allows for removal. It's ideal for panels, as we've said, that require maintenance, but is suited to any sort of panel installation, solar panels, etc. ALFA-LOK is available with 3 adhesives and a non-adhesive version, but we're just going to cover the 3 adhesives. So you have a general purpose, a transparent and a low energy. So starting with the general purpose, this is referred to as a 5345. This adhesive is suitable for high and medium surface energy materials, including a range of plastics, glass and metals. The adhesive is a medium to low tack and is white in colour. They're all an acrylic, a modified solvent-based acrylic polymer adhesive. So that is 5345. So the 5310 is transparent in colour. It's probably the sort of more limited range adhesive because it's designed for use with high energy materials such as glass, aluminium, steel and treated plastics. So it's a very specific adhesive on the 5310. So finally the 6411. This again is a medium to low tack, black in colour and has the widest application range. So this 6411 will perform well in high, medium and low energy materials. So from glass and plastics to ceramics, powder coatings, concrete and fabrics. This is the most popular as it can handle pretty much any surface. So that rounds up the ALFA-LOK fastener itself and the 3 adhesives. As I've said, there is a non-adhesive version available, but that is literally the same tape, but without, you can see the white foam adhesive, the SilverTape, so it's without that, so you can apply it and fix it with whatever means you have available. So with the tape, we're looking at around just under 5mm, a 5mm profile. So if we connect 2 together, just to give you an idea of what sort of closure height you have behind your panel, how much you have to play with. So we'll close that, and you have around, we're just on the 7mm, so 7mm as a closed fastener. So there we have ALFA-LOK.